Dify, LangFlow, Flowise, which one is actually the best for your project? We compare features, ease of use, deployment, and ideal use cases. Dify focuses on integrated tool chains, hosted model management, and analytics. LangFlow shines as a node-based visual prompt builder with extensible integrations. Flowise is lightweight, local-first, and great for self-hosted flow experiments. Feature-wise, Dify for end-to-end, LangFlow for visual design, Flowise for local control. Ease of use, Dify offers polished UI, LangFlow is intuitive for designers, Flowise is minimal. Deployment, Dify has cloud hosting, LangFlow supports hosted and server setups, Flowise favors local deployment. Quick demo, Dify deploys a model and analytics in minutes with one click. LangFlow demo, drag nodes, connect prompts, test flows visually in real time. Flowise demo, run locally, tweak parameters, iterate without cloud dependency. Conclusion, pick Dify for production and analytics, LangFlow for prototyping and design, Flowise for privacy and local development.